Wait, before you answer this, there's a chance AI is already doing part of your job, and you just haven't noticed yet. No, seriously. Not in some sci-fi future. Right now. Today we're talking about AI versus humans. And 10 jobs AI has quietly taken over in ways most people never expected. Some of these might surprise you. One or two might be uncomfortable. And one of them, you probably use every single day. Let's get into it. Number 1, customer service. Not long ago, customer service meant calling a number, waiting on hold, and finally talking to a real person who sounded just as tired as you were. Now, you're talking to AI. Chatbots handle millions of customer conversations every day. They don't sleep. They don't get frustrated. And they don't ask for raises. Humans still exist in customer support, but mostly as backups. AI handles the front lines now. Number 2, pricing and sales optimization. If you've booked a flight, ordered food, or bought anything online recently, you've interacted with AI pricing systems. Dynamic pricing used to be handled by teams of analysts. Now algorithms adjust prices in real time, based on demand, location, behavior, even how likely you are to hesitate before clicking buy. AI doesn't just set prices, it experiments on you, quietly. Number 3, copywriting. Ads, product descriptions, emails, captions. A lot of that is now AI generated. Not perfect, but fast. And good enough beats perfect when you need 10,000 words by tomorrow. Human writers still exist, but the job has shifted. Instead of writing from scratch, many now edit, guide, or clean up AI output. Number 4, recruiting and resume screening. AI scans resumes, ranks candidates, schedules interviews, and even predicts who might quit in the future. Some companies barely have human recruiters anymore, just dashboards and models. Thousands of resumes, filtered in seconds, by a system you'll never meet. Number 5, music composition for content. AI now writes background music for YouTube videos, ads, podcasts, and games. Not chart-topping hits, but music that fits the mood perfectly and costs almost nothing. For everyday content, AI already does the job. Number 6, basic journalism and news reporting. AI writes earnings reports, sports recaps, weather updates, and market summaries. Anything data-driven and repeatable, perfect for machines. Human journalists still handle deeper stories, but routine reporting, AI handles it quietly. Number 7, translation. Entire documents translated instantly across dozens of languages. Is it perfect? No. Is it good enough for most people? Number 8, graphic design. Logos, thumbnails, social media graphics, presentations. AI tools generate hundreds of design options in seconds. Designers still matter, but entry-level design work is disappearing fast. Number 9, data analysis. AI finds patterns humans miss, predicts outcomes, and explains results in plain language. What used to take teams now takes one person, plus an AI tool. The job didn't vanish. The headcount did. And number 10, scheduling and coordination. AI books meetings, manages calendars, sends reminders, and fixes conflicts automatically. Virtual assistants used to be human. Now they're software, and most people don't even think about it. So, who's winning? AI is winning tasks. Humans still win context. But that line is moving, fast. The real question isn't whether AI will take jobs. It already has. The question is, which parts of your job are next? That's what Work After AI is about. Understanding how work changes before it changes you. See you in the next one.